How to delete multiple media files on the Sony ZVE10 is very similar, if not the same, than how to delete multiple media files on the Sony ZV1, which I also have a link to a video here if you're interested. So this is just how to delete multiple media files on the Sony ZVE10. I have that here. It is very similar to the Sony ZV1. We're going to go into media playback here. I've got a bunch of videos here that I've taken earlier today. And one of the things that we can do is we can toggle out with the zoom here. And that will bring us to more of a view of all the photos that we have, and then a calendar view of every photo that you have. If you want to delete multiple photos, you'll just go into the menu. You'll go into the menu of playback 1 on page 1 of 3, go down to delete, and it'll just ask you delete multiple images or delete all with this date. I'm going to show you delete multiple images first, and you can either click through each one here, one at a time. And then instead of clicking the delete down here, you're actually going to push the menu and click select, and yes. And then we have all of these videos remaining down here. The other option that you can do is go back into menu, into delete, delete all with this date, and we can delete anything from September 4th, 2021. Click yes. And then I still have all of these remaining from September 5th and going forward. So finally, the last option is to delete multiple images. So we can click this one up here, and that'll kind of highlight everything under that date. So we have, this is apparently January 1st, 2021. I think that was before I set the date and time. And then we have September 5th, 2021, and that'll highlight all of the media files that you have here. And then you're just gonna go to menu again, click select, and okay, and then delete. And now you'll see I have no media files left in here. So it's actually quite simple, and a simple toggle in and out with the zoom here. And just make sure that you're in playback 1 for the delete. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.